Have you been looking for a rural property that you can have all the 4-H animals?
You can even have pigs here.
Izzy doesn't like pigs, but you can bring your pigs. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Amanda with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and we are here at our newest listing, 7843 Scorpion Way in Evansville.
Not only is this property over 17 acres, but it also has gorgeous views of the mountain and lots of space. Let's go look around. The perimeter of this property is fully fenced. There's also smaller pens with chain link. You can see that the goats are in this. My horse is not really sure what to think about these little goats. Our goats at home are bigger. There's lots of room to add a barn or some additional loafing sheds. It is worth mentioning again that there are no covenants to this property. Now, there is zoning, so reach out to us and we can explain that to you.
This home has almost 2,000 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and an open concept for living. The living room opens up into the kitchen and dining area where you'll find multiple options for seating at the island or the peninsula. And it's worth mentioning that these cabinets are solid wood and it looks like they've been upgraded with crown molding. This home features 2 living areas and the second one comes right off of the dining room. And there is a double fireplace, which is pretty cool, and a French door that leads out to the backyard. This spacious master bedroom is located on the opposite end of the house from the other 2 bedrooms and features its own bathroom with a shower, a soaker tub, double sinks, and a walk-in closet. This side of the house features 2 bedrooms and a full bath. And check this bedroom out. I think it could even be 2. If you are looking for your slice of Wyoming country, call me today because I'd love to show you this house.
Remember, we want you and your horses, and here, even your pigs, to love where they live. See you soon.